Who doesn't love those home repair shows that we get to see every weeknight where they take some property, throw a bunch of money at it, and 22 minutes later, a brand new dream home with no muss, no fuss. That's not exactly how it works in the real world, but you do have some options. If you're interested in renovating your property to turn it into something you love, we have something called a renovation loan here at Fountain Mortgage that can help you with just that. The way it works is find a house that needs some improvements. This loan can be used for anything from minor repairs to installing an in-ground pool, a new roof, or fixing the foundation. So when you buy that home, we're going to appraise it at the final value after all of the repairs are done. You have one closing, which means less paperwork and less hassle. You'll work with a contractor to get that home planned out for where it's going to end up, and funds will be released throughout the renovation project to the contractor to get everyone paid. At the end, you have your new home, you have your new loan, and it only starts at 5% down. So it's a great option to look at. Reach out to one of our loan officers so that you can talk about your own television reveal yourself.